Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my subby and you're watching, thank you for tuning in. So, recently, DJ Zintle she posted a video and she was wearing them jeans. I don't even know. Ne paint. Like some trousers with ne paint. So, it rubbed Mzansi in a very wrong way. They say she wanna be like Uncle Waffles. They be like a 43-year-old wanting to be like Uncle Waffles. And I'm like, So guys, basically, according to my understanding, GJ Zinte, she has a very good taste when it comes to fashion. I don't think hair wearing like that was to be like Uncle Waffles. So I don't know. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.